Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cinnamoroll holding a teddy bear. So let's get started. To draw this cute Cinnamoroll, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. And I'm going to kind of slant it because the head is kind of at an angle. So I'll say about right here. And I'm going to draw oval. I'm just going to turn my body a little bit so kind of angle it this way. And create this long oval. There. Then I'm going to use that as my guide and come across. So everything now is at this angle. So just come across. Say nice and wide. So say about right here. And go ahead and draw the same thing. It's a little bit tricky, but just turn your body or the paper. So you can just put everything at this angle. Approximate. There, so it's just all the way across. So now that we have that, we need to draw the mouth, which is right in the center, about between the eyes. So let's say about right here. I'm gonna go ahead and then just wobble this mouth across and cap it off. Okay, there. So now that we have that, we need to draw the face. So as usual, I'm going to come into the top of my eye and just remember everything is at this angle here, and same thing here. Let's see about right here, maybe a little bit wider on this side. And let's go ahead and we're going to just come here first. I'm just going to draw this curve around the eye. So same thing here. Curve around the eye, and then I'm going to bring this up and skip a little bit of space, and say about, let's bring this up a little bit more, skip a little bit of space and say about right here, and we're going to draw this curve to come back to here. So hopefully you're using a pencil so you can make any adjustments. It is a little tricky, so we're drawing this head not straight up and down, so let's say about right here. Now definitely need to make some adjustments, so bear with me here. So about right there, and then I'll bring this up there. So I just want to leave a little bit of space. Okay, so now that we have this, we can finally go ahead. That's the trickiest part, and then we're going to go around and let's bring it in about right there. But before I finish that, let's come out and draw the ear. So I'm going to pop the ear about right here, and I'm going to come up and down, and about right here. I'm going to come out and round it off. And bring it in. There. Aw, so cute, right? I've drawn so many Cinnamorolls. The ears have become a lot easier for me to draw. Lots of practice. Okay, so now that I have that, then we need to draw the other ear, which is super cute because it kind of folds in. So let's say about right here as well. We're going to come down, and then let's say about right here, kind of bend it in, and then we're going to go around. We're going to end about in this space, so we just want to come here, nice and full like the other side. And then just bring in this curve to about right there. And whatever space you have left, just finish it off. Okay, there. So now that we have that, then we can go ahead and just come in right there. And in the space right underneath this mouth, we're going to draw the hands. So let's come right here and we're going to pop out one curve, taper it off, and then bring it in for Cinnamoroll's hand. So we want it right underneath right here, and then come out right here, and we're going to draw a curve for the body. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come across, so about right here, and we're going to draw the other hand. So this hand is basically just like a tapered oval, about right here, and connect. There, so just want these two. And then let's see. So then in this space, so let's bring this, I'm going to come up here and start the teddy bear. So in this space that I've created where the two hands are, I'm going to come about right here and draw my teddy bear. So here, and then it will end about right here for my space. So I'm just going to pop in this head, and about right here where I have some space, just pop in an ear. And so I guess I'm going to kind of touch the eye, but I don't want to go over it. And the other ear will be about right here. And then coming down about right there. So a little tricky. Okay, so I'm going to turn my body so that it looks a little bit more upright to me. And I'm going to come right here and draw the ears. It's always easier if you can see it straight up, right? So this will be the center. I'm going to come about right here and draw this little bear nose, little triangle, and then two little lines, and then on the sides we're going to put in some eyes, put in a highlight, and same thing here. Then a little curve right there. Okay, so now that we have that, the eyes are a little bit big, but I'll fix that. And then in this area, we're going to put a bow right in between for our bear, and then the body. So it's about right here. And then a little hand. And then the rest of the body. But before we finish that, let's come here and let's say about right here, we're going to pop out a foot for Cinnamoroll. And then bring the body in. So we know how far to bring our bear. So now that we know about right there, I'm not going to bring this too low. So about right here. Come here and then draw a curve, and then the other side. And connect. And then we have the other hand right here. Perhaps some buttons for our teddy bear. And then the rest of Cinnamoroll. So let's say about right here. And just like the other side, we're going to pop out a foot. And connect. There. Oh, hopefully that wasn't too hard. So then whatever space you have left, if you do, just add a little line there to finish it off. So it all depends on where this ear ends and how much space you have. There. Okay, and then of course we need to draw the tail. So we're going to pop it out about right here, nice and big. And put it right about here, and then just draw in this curve in the center. There. And let's see, what else am I missing? Hopefully. And then of course you color in Cinnamoroll's eyes blue, and then add some cheeks. Add a little curve above each eye. And of course I need to add a heart, so oh, okay, you know what, I'll just add it right here. I should have made the buttons all hearts, but I'll add one more button there. Hopefully you love how this, I know it's a little complicated, but hopefully I've helped you draw this super cute drawing here of Cinnamoroll holding a teddy bear. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you make this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.